Welcome to Lesson 7, Methods: A Deeper Look. This lesson is based on Chapter 7 of our books, Visual C# How to Program 6th edition and C# 6 for Programmers. In this lesson, we're going to take a look at many additional features of both defining and using methods in C#, and we'll also talk about several other aspects of C# as well. We'll begin with a look at static methods, variables, and properties of a class, and we'll show you how we're able to use such capabilities via the class's name rather than having to create an object of the class first. We'll talk a little bit about C#'s argument promotion rules, which come into play when you invoke a method, passing it an argument that does not precisely match the type of a corresponding parameter. I'll give you a quick overview of some features of the .NET Framework class library, and in particular show you the online documentation where you can go to learn much more about the features of the library that are available to you. In these live lessons videos, we touch on only a small subset of the .NET Framework class library, and you'll certainly want to read the overview of the entire library to get a general sense of all of the capabilities that are available. We'll take a quick diversion into random number generation, which can be used not only for simulation techniques but also to help you implement game programs. We'll discuss the scope of identifiers in a program in C#. We'll also show you how to define so-called overloaded methods, which are multiple methods in the same class that have the same name but can be called different ways. So that would mean that they have either different numbers of parameters or different types of parameters or possibly both. We'll also take a look at both optional and named parameters in C#. And we'll introduce C# 6's new so-called expression-bodied methods and properties. We'll discuss a little bit about the differences between value types and reference types, and we'll use that as a lead-in to our discussion of passing method arguments both by value and by reference.